Have you ever felt like you're using Excel and a little bit lost and you don't know actually what you're doing? Simple things like sum, maybe an if statement, but you spend hours and hours creating new reports. Don't you wish you had some help with that? Some sort of training that you could go on, that you can invest in, so that you get the best return for that time that you're putting in to learn Excel, so that it can be easier for you, so you can create amazing reports that just rocket fuels your productivity and excellence. If that's what you want, then I've got a training for you where I take you through the fundamentals, 3 fundamental building blocks of PivotTables, using tables over a range of data, and I'll explain and go into the detail of what that is, as well as how to structure data. With 23 years of building data warehouses for massive organizations, medium-sized organizations, and for you, I can do this and help you with my online training that is available for you 24/7, so that you can take the training in a time that's convenient for you. Not only that, we also have group training sessions where we come together as a group of professionals and work through various problem sets and common trends through either questions that you have posted during the week or some interactions that I've had with clients and common problems that I see. What's fundamentally different from this course to any other course that you've taken part in is the one-on-one engagement, where I am available to you in a private discussion, working through a problem set that you have that you need help with. And that's the unique difference. I'd love to see you be part of this course. Get rid of all the frustration and junk that you have going on in Excel and the endless Google searching just to find a silly solution to a problem that doesn't even work properly. You wish you could phone a human to help you. I'm here to tell you, I'm that human. All you need to do is invest in yourself and enroll in this course, and I can't wait to see you inside.